Hello everyone, my name is Alif and I'd like to welcome you all to Data with Alif channel, where we will learn the data analysis from the beginning, from the scratch. If you are a learner, if you are a beginner, if you are willing to learn the data analysis from the beginning, you will have to stick on my channel, and you'll have to ask questions in my channel, so that you may understand how to work with the different sort of data. And you'll have to ask if you have any problem or with any kind of data sets, and you can easily leave your comment below. Our today's topic is about the merging queries. In the previous lesson we have learned how to work with the Power Query, and how would you work with the combining files, there are multiple files. Today we are going to learn the merge data. So merge data, how would you merge the data? So, suppose you have a fact table, and you are willing to work with different kind of merging queries, you have dimension table and you have fact table, and you have to work with the fact table, as well as you have to work with the dimension table, where the information is available regarding to your fact table. Okay, so what is dimension table? First of all, you'll have to understand what is dimension table. Dimension table is the table where you have different kind of one kind of information is loaded, and in the fact table, all the dimension tables, and whatever the information is gathered, it will be doubled, or all the information will be loaded in the fact table, so let us show you at first the fact table and the dimension table, because it is a pretty complicated topic. Sometimes you'll understand, some people will not understand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the fact table at first, so that you may understand. Here is an employee data sheet, master sheet, it has ID number, name, M code, edu code, gender, destination, location, unit, department, salary, and so on. All the other information, date of joining, and date of birth. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, this is a factable, because this is repetitive information, female, gender, all the information, edu code. Edu code, here, and if I enable the editing, and if I want to check it, we can easily make the findings of ours, so that you may understand. I'm going to open the dimension table, education. Okay, so the information has been given over here is an edu code. According to edu code, we will have to find out what is the education background of the employee name. So the edu code, if I enable editing here, over here, and let me make it more bigger, so that you guys may understand what are the information loaded here. Like, this is the edu code, and this is the education, college and bachelor, masters, and PhD holders. All the information has been given over in the dimension table and the fact table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on it. I'm going to open a blank query, blank sheet, and I'm going to load the data from the page, from the folder. I will press get data, and get the files, so it will take a bit time to load the data. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you the things, here see the tab has been opened, and I'm going to open the information of the merge query. Okay, so this is the merge query fact employee master table. So I'm going to open it, and it will be loaded into the Power Query section, editor section, from where we will work one after another. So yeah, we will go through all the information, whatever is possible, and you'll have to ask me question in the comment section below, so that I may understand that you were watching my lesson, and you are clearly understanding it. So it is always a best practice to press the transform data. So this is the Power Query editor section, as you have already learned from the previous two lessons. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press again the new source, so that you may understand. Today this is taking a bit time. Now you have like refreshed the data. I'm going to refresh the data, and this is the table. Here the name is the table name, I can say master sales. Okay, master sales data. This is the fact table, or this is what you I can say this is the um, like department salary, master sales, like master employee, fact employee. Okay, fact EMPLOY. Okay, so I have named it to fact employee. Now I'm going to open the new source and take the file from the same process, and first of all I'm going to select the employee education table, and then I'm going to I will load the next section, like if I press that again, this is that 3 days old information. So I'm going to load again the same way you have to follow, as I've told you already. The marital status, so all the information has been all the tables has been loaded over here, like press M status, and press OK to load the data in the Power Query. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the merge query option from the fact table, like we will make it a new merge query. What is merge query? Like if you press the merge query, it will be loaded over here, and you can easily extract the information of education and M status. So what we are going, I'm going to show you is merge query as new. So it will make a new, totally a new master table for you. So I'm going to select this is the fact employee, and with that I'm going to select the education. Okay, so in education we will select the educode, and here the educode. Okay, so 19 and 19 of 19 information rows has been matches, the selection matches 19 of 19 rows from the first table. Okay, so press OK, and you will see the information has been loaded over here, and as we have already, I have already told you that we are going to work on the entire data set. So we have to select Instead of column profiling based on top 1000 rows, we have to select the column profiling based on the entered data. Okay, so entered data has been loaded over here, and here what we are going to select is education section. Like education section, and we have selected the M code. According to M code, we have to select the education section. Okay, so we have to press over here. This will extract the information, expand the information. Like if we select according to education, okay, we have to uncheck the edu code and use original column profile as prefix. We have to remove the text from here, and it will gather all the information education C, education 1, and as per the information of education edu code, it has been loaded accordingly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to press over here, and I'm going straight way after the edu code section, and it will be loaded easily, like here. If we select the previous factor education section, sorry, the dimension at the dim education table, we will see like number 2 is the college, and number 1 is the below college, and number 3 is the bachelor degree, and 4 is the master degree. So it has been loaded easily. So we are going to name it master employee, employee. Okay, so the name has been created, and now we are going to add another one from here, like merge query. As we have already created the master employee table, so we don't need to create we don't need to create any other new queries. So we are just going to press the merge queries option, and from here the information with master employee table has been loaded over here, and now I'm going to select the M status. Okay, so M code, what is the matching of master employee and the M code, M status? Okay, so M status is available here, M code is available here, and in the master employee table we will see the M underscore code. Okay, so both those columns has been matched together. So 19 of 19 rows has been matched from the table. So we don't need to worry about any other thing, or we just need to press OK, and it will be loaded after the date of birth. So what we are going to do from here, as we have done previously, the educode according to educode and education 1, we are going to select the M status from here, the top of the arrow section, and we are going to select the M code, and we are going to check mark, like we are going to uncheck this, and for your better understanding, expand option, and the marital status we are going to select. So it has been loaded like married, divorced, and so we are going to drag it after the M code status. Okay, so M code column, after the M code column we will drag it and leave it over here. So it has been loaded in the master table. Now we are going to check whether the profile, the information has been loaded is correct or not. Okay, so this is 100% okay, the ID number is 100% okay, and the valid. See the status, you will see whenever you press the info cursor over the all the columns, you will see whether the 100% is okay or not. Okay, so education, here you need to, we just need to edit the information of this column. So education, press OK, and the information has been given, two distinct information. So we don't need here like M code option, and we just need to remove this column, and again we just need to remove the edu code column. So all the information is fine. I hope you have already understand the information how did we do this. Okay, so now we just need to close and load the information, like close and load. We just pressed close and load, and it will be loaded over here in the workbook which that we have opened previously to work with the merge queries. Okay, now within a very few seconds, see, you will get the if we remove it, and we can see the like all the information has been loaded accordingly, and this is a nice and clean information, yeah, has been loaded over here. Okay, so if we are going to select change the do the conditional formatting, we just need to select from here, and it will be changed the information like category. So what is the M status? M status has been loaded here. Education, there, this is the dimension table, this is the fact table where we have worked with. So this is how you have to work with the merge queries in MS Excel. So if you have any question, you just leave your question in the comment section below, and I will get back to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.